Ich liebe dich. I love you. Mahal kita. Oops. Good morning and welcome to the Art of RNK. Today, our project is about flower base. Okay? This is normal bottles. I will recycle it. So, let's do it. Yeah. Of course, dapat may leaves ka or dahon. Yeah. 2 times. Yeah. And after that, you must have something like a base. Some of the leaves here. Yes. Some combination of this flower. Yeah. And some roses. This is Ich liebe dich. I love you. Mahal kita. Oops, Tagalog, it's only 2 words. Sorry. After that, we will combine some of this one. Okay? All we have to do is fix these 3 flowers like that. Okay? It's like a level. One is higher and then okay, and second thing, we put some of these branches, the trees. Don't hide the rose. The rose must be all together. Yeah. Separate it. Check. It's okay. And then these leaves. Okay. Another one. And then in the end, here we have the rubber band. Yeah. Just tie it. I forget this one. This heart. Yeah. Just put in the stick. And nice already. Some are just some trees and everything like that. Okay, ready to go. So all you have to do is to put some water inside this nest. After that, we will pour it. To do is this ribbon and cut it short, yeah. Wow! Yan na siya. Medyo ito yung pinagupitan natin ng yes, here we are. So the one we cut here from this side, we will put upstairs here. Just the other one here.